beautiful people. I hope you're doing good. So, today I'm back with an exciting activity. Today we are doing golden monkey. We're going to see the golden monkeys here in the Virunga National Park. It's gonna be a wonderful day. Uh, yeah. What you have to know, maybe if you want to do this activity, you have to book through the RDB or through your travel agency, and then you have to be here by 7 a.m. here in Kinigi so that you can do the briefing and everything. So let's go and see the monkey. So after the briefing at the main RDB office in Kinigi, you drive like 20 minutes. This other location. This is also, I think it's an RDB also office, where from here we go into the park. So as you can see, there's a lot of people here, like different groups. Some are going to see the gorillas, some are going to see the golden monkeys like us. So yeah, let's go. Here we go. So a friend of mine was asking me if I don't have like a stick. I was like, me, I don't like sticks because they don't allow me to take content properly. I just want my hands to be free when you're moving around so that I can quickly grab the phone, record something and put it back in my pocket. So you just have to be careful, you know, when you're moving around step by step. Whoa. That's my water. Okay.
But not each one of them to give us two babies a year. They do, let me say they do rotate.
How long do they keep the babies with them?
Let me say after 1 year, the baby is able to walk at all. At his own, he can walk away. Let me say the young baby at 1 year. But let me say at 2 years, they are still calling the baby, their babies. But at 1 year, they're able to go away. That's how those monkeys live up there in the mountains. Good. Any question?
No.
No question. Let's go to enjoy the monkeys. National Park, let me say, this park is extended from Uganda border to Congo border. It covers 75 kilometers. Then you put on a mask, you visiting those monkeys, you put on a mask. We use a mask as we may share disease. That means the whole time mask will be on properly. We don't take a mask down to take a selfie with the monkeys. All the time, mask on.